are chosen. And you are all chosen. It's not the time to be afraid. It's the time to rejoice.
I'm now confused, sir. They're like wearing the runes of a different worship.
You're going to have to put it in your face.
You look excited for the Wickerman?
Yeah.
Yeah. Literally probably going to be on the first 2 or 3 trains possibly of the new ride. Literally open today. You see there's all the, I think they're called the Brethren or something along those lines. Yeah, we did really well getting into the park. We managed to get our tickets, and then they opened the gate. We ran down. It's quite a good. Wasn't a bad run, was it?
No, it's not internet, wait.
Danger ride area. We didn't enter. In other words, don't go over that fence. That's what it means. So yeah, I think we're just getting held here, then we'll be in a second. But yeah, it's going to be really busy here today. But we'll get this out of the way and then on to some other rides. Some good merch for the Wickerman and this absolutely amazing themed statue. Okay, so here's my review of the Wickerman. That was absolutely stunning. It's so good that we've finally got a ride in the UK that has, here it is, amazing theming to it. Very, very impressed with the ride. Good 9 out of 10 for me. The only reason it doesn't get any more than that is because of the length. If it was a bit longer, but you know, they've got to work with the space. But no, fantastic. Well done, Alton Towers, on this one. Okay, so we're just waiting for the other rides to open. You've got Galactica over here, and over that side you've got Nemesis. These open at 11 o'clock.
I got mini Wickerman.
Yeah, he got a mini Wickerman. But yeah, it's got about 15 minutes until the ride's open here. Wickerman, like I said earlier, still 180 minutes. Oh, that used to be an old ride. That used to be Ripsaw.
Is it still alive?
I don't know what they're doing there. They look like they're doing something.
No, it must be still on. It's just like that.
Yeah, they're testing air now, so that'll be good. There's a Nemesis, the bus. Right, so here we are going into Jewel. which is the old haunted house.
Is it?
Yeah, it used to be a haunted house, but now it's a shooting ride.
So this used to be the haunted?
But it used to be a haunted house, look, you can tell. Wow. Come on, Josh, this way. So yeah, doing well for rides today.
Huh?
Doing well for rides, aren't we? Because we
Can I
got.
keep my Wickerman in my hand?
You can keep the wick. And give it to me because you might leave him.
No, I can put it in my wrist.
All right, okay. If you lose him, I'm not buying another one though.
Yeah, this is
It's very new pictures. They look brand new. Yeah. See over there, just over there, it's the site of the old log flume, which is no longer here. Made way for the Wickerman.
You want to make sure you got that Wickerman.
You got the Wickerman.
I mean
Hold on to the Wickerman.
The big Wickerman, like pillow. It's massive. It's big.
We'll see. Right.
Try and win it.
Oh, I see. Oh, right, that thing. Whoa. Been a while since I've been on this rapids. Oh, not the warmest of days to go on rapids, is it? Yeah.
I need.
Oh. You got soaked.
Daddy, you'll get soaked in.
you got soaking. That was a good splash. That was, wasn't it?
No, please, no, please, no, please.
Is it on? Oh. Good job, I said put that on, isn't it?
No. Daddy, no, you got wet.
You got done twice.
I think this rapid's a bit aggressive with my legs.
Mind trait.
Wow, this rapid is not like my legs. Where are we going?
In this tunnel. Hey! He got you. How many times are you going to get caught?
How much have you got?
Oh, a little bit. Look, hardly anything.
Yeah, not anything. Look, this was actually great like this.
Is your bum wet?
Yeah. Wickerman's not wet though, that's a good thing. Wickerman. It's leaking. Oh, got pooped.
Oh, all right.
Oh, Daddy,
Yeah. Wickerman is not operational.
Oh no.
Stuck. That's not good news for the people that have been queuing for a long time.
Daddy, but look at it, we got on.
Yeah, well, yes,
Oh
look.
no, Daddy, you're going to get wet here.
Oi.
Daddy, that's really bad. The Wickerman just opens.
Yeah, that's not good for the people wanting to go on, but luckily we got on it. And that's it for the rapids. You're soaked.
Shut up, you.
I got off very lightly on that one. Yeah, that train has been stuck there for at least 5 minutes that we've seen. So it's not good news for the opening day. But like I say, we were very lucky to get on it ourselves earlier today. Okay, so you got the lovely Alton Towers castle just over there. I'm pointing in the right direction. And this is the main street that we ran down earlier to Wickerman. Did well, didn't we?
Yeah, but it's now broken.
It's now broken, but like I say, selfishly, we did okay. There was a drone up there, look. Up in the sky, there's a drone. So yeah, we're just going to go and meet somebody in the CBeebies land. So I won't record that, but never actually been in this part. There's a lot of people coming into the park. A hell of a lot of people. CBeebies land. Now, look for In the Night Garden, that's supposedly where they are. I think it might be this way. So yeah, this looks a good area for kids. Loads of little rides, little flat rides. I think there's a little roller coaster around there somewhere. It looks good, doesn't it? Oh yeah. We'll have something to eat in a minute. Yeah? Yeah. But yeah, it's a nice little area for kiddies.
Where's the night garden?
I don't know. Well, there's the little go-getters thing. 30-minute queue. I assume it's up here. Postman Pat. Is it Postman Pat? Yes, it's Postman Pat. So we're just walking now to the X sector area, which has Oblivion and other bits, but I think we're going to go and do Rita first, so we're going to go over to in that direction. Let's walk this way. But yeah, there should be a lot of people around at the moment because of the Wickerman being unavailable. The crowds are dispersing a little bit into the rest of the park, so see what the ride times are like. Don't think we're going to bother with Spinball Wizard today. It's 55 minutes and it's the capacity on it's quite poor, so it takes ages to actually get on it, so I think we'll leave that one for today. Go and get some of the other stuff done. Oh, I'm not sure. We'll have to research it when we get back. But yeah, it's been here a long time. Yeah, it's a really nice focal point for the park. But as you can see, it's at the top there. There's no roof on that. It's going to cost a lot of money to. Still very charming and beautiful though. If they could renovate it, it would be fantastic. Make it into a hotel, maybe. You could stay in the park. So Rita is a launch coaster.
Is that Rita?
That's Rita, yeah. It's a launch coaster like Taron, but not as well themed as Taron. Not as intense either. What's to say?
I don't want to go on the town.
Sorry?
I don't want to go on the town.
Why is that?
It's not as fast as Taron.
No, it's not as fast, no, but it's still good.
Trees one day, wasn't it? Right, come on.
Okay, this ride here is the Smiler. It's absolutely insane, this ride. So many loops, twists. Gotta say, it's not my favourite. It makes me feel quite ill, that one. I think I'm gonna go. There's Oblivion. Okay, so there's the Wickerman again. And
It broke for the second time.
it's broke for the second time, and luckily we've been on it this morning. We're on the 4th train.
And we didn't have to cause a break, but on the second time, we were in the break.
We were in the break run, yeah. We've literally got on the last train before it broke again. So we've been
lucky.
We've been so lucky. We've had 2 goes on it, where some people haven't even got any, which I feel really sorry for, because they've queued hours. But we've done well, haven't we? Right, so they have now shut the queue for the day. They have had quite a few issues with the rides on its opening day. On each of the trains now, there's 3 carriages, three rows that aren't being used. So we believe there's some sort of weight issue with the roller coaster. So obviously that's adding to the queue as well. But we're going to go now because I've got to go out tonight. But you had a good day, Josh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't want that blue thing.
Blue thing. Well,
I wanted that softball.
what softball?
That softball.
Not sure what that is.
The one that we just tried to get. Daddy.
Oh right, okay. Well, yeah, we just been on a game and didn't win, did we?
No, I thought we were trying to get a pink thing for Molly.
Okay. So yeah, we're gonna go and exchange our ticket for annual passes now, and we're gonna head off for the day. See if we can come back. We had a bit of an issue. He got on Glatzka earlier, didn't you? Which is a 1.40 m, but then he couldn't get on Oblivion over there. He is literally on the borderline, so we didn't argue because there's no point in arguing. But we did get given 2 free priority passes, which enabled us to go on the Wickerman again. So it's not all bad. So yeah, it's been a good day. You enjoyed it? Good. Right, so that's it for the day. We're going to get our passes, get our car parking ticket, and then leave, and then we'll come back another day to Alton Towers.